Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to discuss how to download and install Microsoft SQL Server and Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So if you look at the screen, you see that we're at an address that starts with Microsoft.com and it ends with SQL Server Downloads. Now I'm going to make sure that I make this link available in the description section of the video so that you can click right on it and get started with the process of downloading both of these softwares. So we're going to start with downloading Microsoft SQL Server. So to get started from this screen, we're going to scroll down to SQL Server 2022 Express and then click Download Now. It downloaded right here, so we're going to click on the .exe file to get started. So first click Basic. Then scroll down after reading the license terms and then click Accept. And then choose where you want to install and then click the Install button. I chose the default. Now keep in mind that this could be a lengthy process, but what I did is not tape the whole thing so that it doesn't go too long on the screen here. So I kind of shortened the process and only taped some of the downloading and installation. Okay, so now the download is successful. It's installing now. Okay, it's almost done. Now we're going to install SSMS. Click that button that says Install SSMS, which means Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. We're going to scroll down to the download and be clear on reading the screen there in case you have a different system. So we click on Download SSMS for Download Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. The exe file, we clicked on it. Visual Studio is our installer. So we click Continue and the installation is taking place. Then we're going to select what we want installed. I'm going to select all of them. AI Assistance, Business Intelligence, the Hybrid and Migration, Code Tools. Then our installation locations. You can accept the defaults, which I did, or you can change those. And then I also chose install while downloading to save time, and then I click the install button. And again, this can be a lengthy process, but I didn't tape the whole thing again just to kind of shorten the video a little bit so you wouldn't have to wait too long for this downloading and installation. So it's downloading and installing at the same time, as you can see. The download's almost done. Download is complete. Now they're installing at 33%. Okay, it's almost done. Click OK. And then we're going to launch SQL Server Management Studio. Keep in mind, it's actually better to restart your computer before you launch, just to avoid any errors or things that need to be completed. And that is how you download and install Microsoft SQL Server in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Thank you for watching the video today. I hope you enjoyed learning how to download and install Microsoft SQL Server and Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please feel free to like and subscribe. If you're interested in learning SQL, be sure to check out my SQL YouTube tutorial that's on the channel, and also access my SQL certificate courses, which are also on the channel. Thanks for watching.